Here's 3 grooves in 5/4 because 5 is the number after 4 and we've done 3/4 already, so we may as well go up. The only way is up. Welcome to the land of prog. Have fun counting. All right, groove 1. This is the first groove you should learn if you want to start playing in 5/4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. It's super simple. Right hand is playing all 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bass drum on 1, 1. Hi-hat on 2, snare drum on the and of 2. Stick it together. 1, 2, and. On 3, you got a hi-hat. On the and of 3, you got a bass drum. So if we backtrack, stick it all together. 1, 2, and 3, and. 2, and 3, and. Beat 4 is where things get nice and easy because both hands come down together. And 5 is just on its own on the hi-hat. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5. Nice. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5. If you want to simplify it, you can leave out the snare drum on the and of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Sounds sick, all the same. Sounds kind of like a just cut short 6/8 groove. Sounds really cool. So go away and enjoy playing your first 5/4 groove. Just remember to count out loud. It will serve you very well. All right, next up, groove number 2. This is also one of the first grooves you should learn if you want to start playing in 5/4. Nice, groovy, but still quite simple. Right hand is just playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beats 1 to 3, super easy. Bass, snare, snare. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Now, beat 4 and 5 are going to use a little bit more coordination here, but we're going to break it down. All that's really happening is 4 and 5 and 4 and 5 and 4 and 5 and. Make sure that ghost note's nice and ghosty and tap it as you come up to hit a nice big accent on 5. Let's stick it all together. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 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 1. Nice. Sounds real groovy. Try it on the ride bell as well. All right, last up. This groove in 5/4 sounds more complicated than it actually is. Just bear with. 3, 4, 5. Honestly, even though this sounds really cool, there's only about 2 components going on here, 2 little figures. 1 E, ah. So going ride bell with a bass drum. 1 tap, accent on the 1 E, You can take a little breath on the and if you want, because we do have a little gap there. 1 E, 1 E, Sucking some air through your teeth or just doing a little in-breath can be a really useful tool to help you count and hold the correct time. So that's beat 1, 1 E, and then beat 2, which is the other kind of section of the 2 that you're going to use in this. Ride bell, tap, tap, bass drum. 2 E and 2 E and 2 E and Get that nice and comfortable and just combine the 2. What you'll end up with in this groove is 2 bass drums quite close together. So I've done a video on bass drum speed before that will be out in the wilderness somewhere or linked below if you're lucky. So let's stick these 2 components together. 1 E, 2 E and 1 E, 2 E and Now looping it. 1 E, 2 E and 1 E, 2 E and And that's a cool groove in 4/4 as well. But we're in 5/4, so you've just got to add at the end a little 5 and. Little accent on the snare drum too. 5 and. So you get 5 and. 5 and. And there you have it. And there we go, 3 grooves in 5/4. Hope you enjoy playing all these odd time signatures. If you like this kind of video, then there's a couple more I have done on other odd time signatures if you feel like being adventurous and playing in those too. Other than that, I hope you have a great day and big love. Mwah!